Is that looking right there? Unfortunately, didn't play a large things away from the end of the day. So, just like to add any form or Lumens or companies or something else.
Yeah, I'll explain a little bit about myself. Thanks for coming in and listening. My name's Adam. I work for a company called Midwich, who are Europe's largest audio-visual distributor. They're based in Norfolk, so I live in Birmingham, thank God, because I live all over the country. And it's an absolute nightmare to get out of Norfolk to anywhere in the world. We are sole distributor for the Lumens visualizer in the UK. It's an exclusive product to ourselves. Because of that, Lumens have decided that they need to employ somebody within the UK. That is me, though I work for Midwich. So they pay my wage, Midwich are happy. Okay, all Midwich have to do is pay my commission, which you guys hopefully will help me attain. But I'll show you how you can do that. This product is absolutely fantastic for primary schools, secondary schools, higher education. It fits in all of the areas that you guys are from. So, what is a visualizer? Has anybody used a visualizer before at all? No? Let's shake off a couple of hands. Okay. A visualizer was designed as basically a replacement for an overhead projector. Okay. However, it's moved a lot on since its first sort of models. It's a digital device. Okay. So it can do one heck of a lot more than an overhead projector will ever do. Okay. You are going to be taking home the DC133 back to school. Okay. The DC133 is quite a generous offer. There. It retails at, you will be buying that at about 200 and something odd pounds, 250 odd pounds or so. Okay, so it's a very generous offer. But what's going on there is that obviously you guys need to start using visualizers to be aware of what they can do. If you don't know what they can do, then you're not going to come along to A to Z or to whoever to Lumens and buy more units. So we need to raise awareness. Okay, and that's what I'm here to do, hopefully. So the model that I've got in front of us is a DC260. It's their top of the range gooseneck. What I mean by gooseneck is that it's on a springy neck. Okay? There are 6 in the range. There are 4 that are goosenecks and 2 that are desktops. The desktop versions are normally for universities take them, okay, or people who want absolutely fantastic zooms. Okay? They put them into an install environment, so in a lecture theatre they'll have them on a lectern. Okay, so the lecturers don't have to worry about how to connect everything. It's all set up for them. The gooseneck visualizer is more of a portable device. Okay, now how that benefits you guys is that if you haven't got a budget for 15, 20 visualizers, you can get 5 and you can share them between classrooms. Okay, so it's a really easy device to connect. How I've got this particular device connected at the moment is a VGA cable straight into a projector. Okay, or straight into your plate for your smart board or Promethean board or whatever boards you have. Okay, they do integrate with interactive whiteboards, all the main interactive whiteboards. Okay, there is a driver available. Okay, they haven't partnered up with any particular whiteboard. Okay, so it's not an official driver. Okay, but it can be done. Okay, so let's turn the device on and show you what it can do. Okay, so DC260 is an autofocus device. The DC133 that you're getting is a manual focus device. Okay? What I mean by autofocus is if I move this gooseneck at any point, press the 2 little buttons on the side, it will do autofocus for us. Or if I zoom in using the remote control or the base unit, it will do autofocus. Okay? If you're moving the gooseneck on the 133, which I've got set up over there, okay, you have to twiddle the lens to focus it in. 133s are going very, very well into primary schools. Okay, so a low cost unit. And all that primary schools essentially want to do is pop something underneath, okay, and show it. Then on their interactive whiteboard, they can freeze the image and annotate over it. Okay, so if we've got a particular puzzle that we want to show, we put it onto the visualizer, freeze the image, and we can do the puzzle on the board. Okay? So, let's just zoom out again. Now, with some of the Lumens visualizers, they come with something called an auto-tune button. Okay, so auto-tune will do a setup of the product. It will do an auto-white balance, an auto-focus, and an auto-exposure. So it should set the visualizer up for the environment that it's in. Zooms on the particular devices differ through the range. Okay, as you go up the range, obviously optical zooms increase, etc. But with the gooseneck visualizer, it's not too important optical zooms, because what we can do is we can actually move the gooseneck right into the device, into the object, like I say, hit the auto tune button, and focus for us. Okay, so we can see the level of detail that we can get there. It won't go much closer than that with an optical zoom. If I move these head away, also focus it, and then zoomed in, you'll see it's around about the same sort of detail. So you'll get that level of detail on the whole of the Lumens range. Even your DC133 will give you that zoom because you've got a physical net to bend it down. So with all of the visualisers that Lumens do, you can actually capture an image. So whatever image is underneath the visualiser, we can take a photograph of. Once again, as you go through the range, it differs on how many you can actually save to the base unit. If you've got it connected to a computer or a USB, okay, and use their software, then it's unlimited. It's how large your hard drive is. Okay. So if I just take a quick photograph of that, there we go. Hey presto, I'll show you that it actually saves as a